Kung ikaw ay monetize na pero hindi pa rin ganun kalaki ang earnings mo, listen carefully. Monetization is not the finish line. Simula pa lang yan. Kasi maraming creators, pag na-monetize na, kumakampante. Akala nila automatic na ang kita. But here's the truth. Hindi lahat ng monetize kumikita. So ano ang mga dapat mong gawin? Here's your step-by-step guide. Step 1, understand your income source. Alamin mo muna, saan ba talaga nanggagaling ang earnings mo? Views? Sa ads ba? Sa stars? Sa brand deals? Because different income sources require different strategies. Kung ads ang target mo, kailangan mo ng long watch time. Kung stars, kailangan mo ng engaged community. Clarity first. Step 2, double down on what works. Balikan mo ang content mo. Tingnan mo, anong videos ang may mataas na views. Anong topic ang maraming engagement. Stop guessing. Start analyzing because success lives close. Kung anong gumagana, ulitin mo, i-improve mo, i-scale mo. Step 3, create content with purpose. Hindi ka na pwedeng basta mag-post lang. Every content should have a goal. Magpa-stay ng viewers, magpa-comment, magpa-share. Because engagement equals earnings. Kung walang nanonood hanggang dulo, walang kita. Step 4, master watch time. Ito ang sikreto. Kahit milyon ang views mo, kung hindi naman tinatapos ang video mo, mababa pa rin ang earnings. So paano? Gumamit ng strong hook, storytelling, cliffhanger, and relatable content. Make people stay. Step 5, build a community, not just audience. Hindi sapat na may viewers ka. Kailangan may loyal followers ka. Kausapin mo sila, sagutin mo sa comments, banggitin mo sila sa content. Because people support people they feel connected to. Dito pumapasok ang stars, gifts, repeat viewers. Step 6, add call to action or CTA. Huwag kang mahiya magsabi. Tell them, follow for more. Comment your thoughts. Send stars if you learn something. Because people need direction. And step 7, post strategically, not randomly. Hindi porket monetize ka, kahit kailan ka mag-post. Alamin mo, kailan active ang audience mo. Anong oras maraming nanonood. Timing matters. And step 8, diversify your income. Huwag ka lang umasa sa platform. Magdagdag ka. Like affiliate links, products, coaching, brand deals, mga ganyan. Because real creators, multiple income streams. Step 9, stay consistent and evolve. Ang algorithm nagbabago, ang trends nagbabago. Kung hindi ka sasabay, maiiwan ka. So keep learning. Keep improving. Keep showing up. Step 10, think long term. Hindi lahat ng content kikita agad. Pero bawat post mo, nagbe-build ng pangalan mo. At balang araw, yung small earnings mo ngayon, magiging malaking income. So tandaan mo, hindi sapat na monetize ka. Kailangan marunong kang mag-convert ng content mo into income. From views to value, from audience to income. Kaya kung gusto mong lumaki ang earnings mo, huwag ka lang maging content creator, maging strategist ka. Natulungan ba kita? Paki-comment and see you in the comment section.